Namaste. Let's begin the video. First of all, I am going to evaluate these calls in front of you. The first call was buying Wipro at 677. Let me go to the daily chart of the stock. As you can see, the buying level never arrived in the stock. The price continued bearish momentum from Tuesday's session. So hence I am going to write the result as did not hit entry level. Second stock was selling Excite Industries at 184. Let's go to the daily chart. The breakout did happen. Let me see, 184 is the level where price was our entry level. Where is 184? Yeah, here, somewhere here. 184, 180, 181.25, 83, 82 means 2 target hit. Third stock was buy Hindustan Zinc at 331. Let me go to the daily chart of Hindustan Zinc, 331. Once again, the breakout did not happen. From look of it, price is continuing the slow and steady journey of higher highs and higher lows. So this particular breakout can happen at any time. So I'm going to copy the same result as the first one for Hindustan Zinc as well. Last but certainly not least stock for today's session was Sudarshan Chemicals, and buying level was 645. Let's go and see what really happened. 650, array yaar, 645, there was a huge gap up. No, I asked you to sell. I thought I asked you to buy. So it was a sale level. So hence same thing will come, did not hit entry level. So in today's session, our calls fared a lot better than Tuesday's one. Hopefully in tomorrow's session, we can do much better than previous days. Now I am going to look at 4 stocks. The first stock for tomorrow's session is Avanti Feeds. On the hourly chart, this is a perfect support level. I'm going to draw one more line. This line will denote resistance level, and combination of these two lines will form a channel pattern. So just look at how price is moving back and forth between this channel. So here it almost went at the high of the channel. This was first retracement back to the support level. This was again price tried to test the high of the channel pattern right here. Second time the support is tested, and here this was a giveaway that buyers are losing out to sellers. The high was almost at the high of the channel pattern. It was relegated to 570 or so, and after that this was third attempt. So price came here, and sellers thought that as this being a support level, there is high chance of price taking support and going to higher levels. That's why you can see this bullish candle. It is a result of sellers booking their profit. But right after that, there was no bullish momentum once again. Price came at the support level for the 4th time, and here there are group of small candles hovering in and around the breakout level. So all things are almost indicating in the same direction that the bearish breakout is highly likely. If that does materialize, we can look for target of 8 to 10 rupees. Second stock that we are going to look at is Bandhan Bank. On hourly chart, we can draw a channel pattern here as well. The breakout level is firmly placed at 289. Now I am going to draw a support level. So this particular line denotes support level. So looking at the action happening inside the channel pattern, this was the first foray stock made to break the high of the channel pattern. Then it was pegged back right at the support level. This was second one, and look at the low here. The low is elevated from previous low, which means that sellers are losing momentum and buyers are trying to stamp their authority. So this was another rally. It was again pegged back, did not break previous low. So price is slowly but surely trying to break free from the channel pattern. If that does happen above the market price of 289, we can expect somewhere in the vicinity of 289. That's the high I'm expecting, because if you look at the daily range in the stock, it is not, let me see what happened here. So it is not more than, let me check how much it is. It is not more than 7 to 10 rupees. So that should ideally be our target. Now I am going to analyze Tata Motors on the daily chart. This is a tilted channel pattern. Now I am going to draw a support level. You can call this a wedge pattern as well. The name is immaterial. What is the most important thing is you need to understand how price is going up and down. So the obvious breakout level here is at the market price of 299. But if I go back to a smaller time frame, I can find a decent breakout level. Let me show you one thing. So this here is a support line. Now let me draw a breakout line trying to connect lows and highs of multiple candles. So here the breakout level is coming at 296, and that is where we should be buying. If we buy at this level, we can expect price to push for the round number of 300 rupees. The last stock for tomorrow's session is Torrent Power. Looking at the hourly chart, I am able to draw a trend line. So this trend line encompasses 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. As you can see in today's session, the breakout did happen, and after the breakout, price retracted and found support at the breakout level, which means that the previous resistance level has become a support level. This is also a sign of price trying to move upwards, and buyers are trying to establish their authority. So this is clear over here. I am going to draw one more horizontal line. So this is a horizontal line. This horizontal line is also encompassing the high of the breakout level, that is the level at which price went after the breakout at the market level price of 8486 rupees. So if we can take a trade here and if we see breakout happening on the back of rising volume activity and long range candle on 5-minute chart, it will give lot of confidence to the buyers who are sitting on the sideline as well as existing buyers. And if they go on a buying spree, we can see price going over and above even 500 rupees. So this is the analysis that we saw, and these are the levels. As you can see in front of your screen, we are going to buy 3 stocks and we are going to sell only 1 stock, which is Avanti Feeds. The screenshot will be shared in the morning on my Telegram channel. One thing which I always reiterate in every video of mine is that you have to be very consistent with the way you trade. What I mean by that, you have to have set of capital and the quantity side should be same across across your trade. So for example, you are buying a stock which is trading at 500 rupees and the other one you are buying at 1000 rupees. The quantity size should be same over here. Why I am saying that? Because if you try to take higher quantity, it might result in loss and that will ultimately wipe out all the profit you might have earned till that particular juncture. So it is very important to be consistent and to follow proper risk management practices. Now I'm going to sign off from this video. We are going to meet in the next video. Till then, all of you take care of yourself.